and I can going to show you the proof how you guys can check this website can providing a do follow high quality backlink. Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we have to create a backlink. So basically this website can providing a social bookmarking and the social submission kind of services. So we have to do these things on that website. So the website name is mykitch.com. You guys are able to see this website having a 45 of domain rating. So now we can go to explore our other things. So you guys have to see the this website having a 27.1k total visitors, and you guys can analyze the other category ranking. And now I'm going to show you the overall traffic source. So you guys can see this website having traffic from India, Vietnam, Mexico, Thailand, Australia, and other countries. So if you guys can want to attract the audience from that kind of country, so you guys have to share your thoughts on that website. Okay, you guys can bookmark your website URLs over there on that website. So now we're going to start the process how we have to do. So this is a interface of that website you guys can see, and I can going to show you the proof how you guys can check this website can providing a do follow high quality backlink. Okay, so you guys can see I can going to show you the on a inspect section. So you guys can see there is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. This is a 100% do follow social bookmarking backlink. Okay, and you guys can also see the overall other things kind of uh, okay. So we can going to start how we have to do. So you guys, there is two option, login and join now. So you guys have to click for the join button, and where you guys can add your username. You guys can choose your display name. For the username we are using, we can use a username kind of things, and for the display name you guys can separate write your brand name that could be appear on the your display on your profile also. So we can going to put email ID, and where you guys can add your password, and now we can going to add a captcha cdtf, and now we can going to click for the sign up now. Invalid captcha we can going to fill again, w6cdpf. ch7tdc. So we have a successfully signed in now on that website. We can check, they can send us any kind of a verification email, then we have to verify now. I think there is no any verification email, so we can going to click the login button, and where you guys can simply click a login. Invalid username and password not active yet. Okay, so this website can send you a activation email. String team 9 October. Okay, so we haven't received activation email yet. We can going to wait. So you guys can wait for the verification email. If they can send you, then you guys have to verify your account, then you guys are able to uh, proceed your other things for this bookmarking and the profile optimization. We can ignore now for that time. I have already account on that website, so I can going to show you. So we have already signed in now. You guys can check if they can send you a verification email instantly, then you guys have to verify now, because at that time I'm logging now on that website mid of the night. The time is 1:36 a.m. So you guys can, I think this website can facing some kind of technical issue, so that's why they cannot send you an instant. So we can start the process for the another. I have already another account on that website, so you guys can see where you guys have to update your profile information. So you guys can add your brand emails, And how you guys have to do, okay, let me check. Setting, you guys can click for the setting button, and where you guys can add your all details, where you guys can add your bio, your location and gender, other things, display name, picture you guys I have added. And I can going to also add, okay, I think, yeah, for the cover image you guys can choose. I can going to update because I haven't updated a cover image. So which image I can going to choose? Yeah, um image file size maximum 1 image 1 MB. Okay, then you guys, where you guys can update your password. So we have optimized all the things. And how you guys can publish your bookmark, there is an option top of the section, you guys can found add new, where you guys have to click. Okay, we can wait a couple of second because this website can taking a time. Note post is display in this moment. Okay, you can ignore these things. And where you guys can add your sources, there is a 4 to 5 category, collection category, where you guys can choose according to your requirement. Okay, and now we have to add our targeted URL, and then you guys have to click for the fetch data. Yeah, and where you guys can add your title and the description. Okay, then you guys can add a tag. I have added total 4 tags. According to your requirement, you guys can add a multiple tags. And for the feature image, you guys can add if you want. I can going to choose this image. Then you guys have to click for the submit button. And if your images are not appearing, and you guys have to keep in mind, this website can provide only a option to you guys can add under a 700 character description. So you guys can see the R social bookmarking content is updated on that website, where you guys have to click a feed button. You guys can refresh once in this website, and then you guys can able to find your bookmarking backlink. Okay, at that time my link, okay, my internet is working very slow, so we can check what is the problems. Okay, so you guys can see the our social bookmarking content is updated now. The time is 1:39 a.m. and you guys can see the my current time is 1:40 a.m. And how you guys can see, you guys can click right button, and then you guys can click for the next, where you guys can found your landing page URL. And I can going to show you the, backlink type. So you guys can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So where we have to added a social bookmarking, and this is 100% do follow backlink. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, so you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching. And I last thing I wanted to request with you guys one thing. If you guys can want to connect with me or help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe button, because these things can motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. And also they can motivate me to, I can found a new websites, new things for you guys. If whatever kind of knowledge I have, I wanted to share with you guys, so you guys can also help me something if whatever you want. Okay, so bye bye, take care.